Welcome to Venoge Cottage. I'm Mrs. Weaver.
And I'm Mrs. Willard.
And we love to cook. We'll cook anything within reason.
Today's culinary adventure:
stewed cheese with sippets.
Let's meet our cast of ingredients.
1/4 pound Gloucester cheese, cubed. 1/4 pound Cheshire cheese, cubed. 4 ounces of sweet white wine. Stale bread.
Are you ready to begin, Mrs. Willard?
I am.
This simple dish will give you some interesting tastes and textures. To begin, cut the crumb of a stale loaf in slices 1/4 inch thick. Form them into diamonds or shape them with a paste cutter. Next, bring your hot coals forward on the hearth. Set your spider over them and add a good amount of butter. When it is melted and is hot, add the cut bread sippets. Fry them, turning them and letting some be darker than others for variety. They toast very quickly. Place them on a towel to drain. They will be toasted, crunchy, and the butter makes them tasty.
Cube the cheese into small bits for easy melting. We used a Gloucester and a white cheddar. We have also made this dish using a Gouda and a white cheddar. Both are equally delicious.
Combine the 2 cheeses in the spider. Now add the wine. Set it over your hot coals. Generally, to stew means to cook with simmering heat. Stir continuously until the wine is mixed in and the cheese has melted. You will notice there is some separation of the liquid from the cheese. This is normal.
Arrange the sippets on a plate.
Bring the spider to the table. The spider will cool rapidly, but to keep the cheese in a liquefied state, put a lighted lamp beneath. Total time to make, 1/2 hour.
Until our next culinary adventure,
We'll see you in the kitchen.
This is why you never show people eating.
We can cut it.